or whoever's watching this. So I'm just looking at bars 7 and 8 of Rowan's round, and this is how the right hand's going to go. Okay, so I've got my third finger on F, here's middle C, so it's not the F above middle C, it's one above that. So third finger on F, second finger next door, and thumb next door. And then I play up the way, but before I play the thumb, I'm going to put my second finger back on, my third finger back on, and my fourth finger back on. My fourth finger wasn't actually on to start with, but I'll just slow it down for you. And then, excuse my fingernails, I've been gardening. In terms of the left hand, it's middle C. You can use your third finger or you can use your second finger. And miss 2 strings and thumb goes on F. And you're going to play the middle C first and then the F. I'll just do it once more.